Hi you guys, welcome back to your girl's show. Linda, me. Welcome back you guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is an unexpected mukbang. You guys, so let me go grab the bag. Be right back. So I'm on keto, you guys. It's like 9 days. No, it's day 9. Calm down. It's day 9 on keto, and I went to Sprouts because you guys, I've been very stressed out. If you guys did see my hiking vlog, I did explain to you guys what's been happening to me. So I went to Sprouts today to buy some sage. I bought a little platter for my sage cones. I bought a crystal, amethyst crystal. I'm trying to find ways, natural ways, I guess you can say, to like cope with my anxiety, my stress, all the above. So anywho, like I said, I was there for one thing, but I always end up coming home with more. I found some keto friendly noodles, you guys. Fettuccine noodles, a low carb food. Organic shirataki pasta with oat fiber. There's 4 ingredients in this. It is water, organic konjac flour, oat fiber, citric acid. So I made fettuccine alfredo for my family. I have salmon too that I made for them, and I'm tired of eating vegetables as pasta, so I found this, so I'm excited. Let's do this. Parmesan cheese, salmon right here, some sambal right there. Let's try this. Oh, I'm not naked, you guys. I'm really burnt. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, burnt. On the hiking trip that I went to, trying to find my calm zone, my zen. Is that what you call it? Well, went up the hike for an hour, was fine. Coming down, I slipped, sprained my ankle, you guys. So let's dig into this. Let's try this. I'm so excited, and it's getting a lot easier actually on this keto diet of mine. I am getting over the keto flu. What is this? I just got a sparkling water, lime flavor. My daughter's watching Good Dinosaur. Let's try these noodles. Looks good, right? Ooh. Okay, the texture, it's alright. My sauce is bomb. The sauce is so good. But it's like chewy. It kind of reminds me of the clear vermicelli noodles. That's good. Piece of salmon. Just finished this too. This is 1 pack. It comes with 2. Hi, baby. You want some? Come here. Ooh. Oh yeah, and look, we bought matching bracelets, protection bracelet from the store. Huh, Mia? Huh, you like it? You want some? Yummy? You wanna try these noodles? Yummy? Ah, no. She's been like, scratching my arm. It's like hurts. I'm all toe up, guys. Husband's got a sprained knee. She had a scare. She fell off a chair. We thought she hurt her arm like bad, but thank God it was nothing. It was just like a really deep internal bruise. And then now me, sprained ankle. Wow. I can get used to this. Oh, and I went out last night. Girls' night out. It's been a very long time. I mean, it was nothing huge. We just went to dinner. We had drinks. I had 2 drinks. And I was feeling good. You know, we all caught up with each other and our personal life stories. What are you doing? Huh? But yeah, you guys, how are you guys doing? 4th of July is tomorrow. I really have nothing planned. I'm just happy that I get to spend another 4th of July with my family. Do you guys believe in getting, what is it, your tarot cards read or something like that? I want to go do that. Excuse me. when I went today, she had a whole back room for, it's like a meditation class, which is not active right now because of the whole COVID thing, but she does the tarot reading suit, which is also not active. So whenever it is opened up for business, I will go. You gotta make your own fettuccine Alfredo sauce, because the ones in the can, not the business. Like, look at that. That looks so real, like real pasta. And then it says to drain really well dry and then put in your sauce, but I didn't do that. I did that, but I took it a step more and I cooked it in my sauce so like it can soak up the flavor, kind of. But dang, look at your girl is burnt. Your girl's burnt. Your girl's ankle is hurt. But up here, I'm good, guys. I'm feeling good. I want to keep it like that. I don't want to hear no more stress. Like I don't want it, guys. I just want to be happy. I don't want no drama. Whew. I feel like I have to burp again. Salmon. I hate putting my hair in a bun. It makes my head look so much bigger. Like pull back like that, like oh my god. You gotta chew these noodles really well and choke on them. Wow. I put onions, yellow bell peppers, and sun-dried tomatoes. Oh, and cream cheese, Parmesan, butter, into my sauce. Whew. And the thing about being on keto now that's like day 9, I get full really fast. It's because of all the fat. I get full really, really fast. Excuse me. And please don't comment to cover my mouth when I burp, because I'm not going to do it. Please, I'm just asking nicely. What was I saying? Yes, I get really full really fast, and I wake up and I'm not that hungry either. I only eat like twice a day now. So it's around like, I think it's like 6 something. So this is my dinner. My goal was to stop eating before 8. Because I've been eating really late, but it's getting better. I'm not eating as late anymore. So, oh, excuse me. Hey guys, I'm done. About to go check on the kids. Thank you guys for watching and still supporting me through my ups and downs. I swear, gonna get this together. We're gonna get through this all together, guys. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.